Welcome to BrokerCheck, where we provide comprehensive, impartial reviews and educational resources tailored for the online trading community. Our expertise lies in dissecting the complexities of the trading world, offering clarity and insight to both novice and veteran traders. At BrokerCheck, we emphasize transparency and adherence to regulatory standards, ensuring our reviews are not only informative but also adhere to the highest standards of reliability and relevance. But before we start, please take your time to read our risk disclaimer first. Today, we're excited to present a thorough review of ModMount, an esteemed online CFD broker. ModMount has carved a niche in the market, attributed to its stringent regulatory measures and a versatile range of trading instruments. ModMount operates under the vigilant eye of the Financial Services Authority, FSA, of Seychelles, reflecting its commitment to maintaining high standards of trader protection and financial probity. Being part of a group that includes New Block Trading Limited in Cyprus, ModMount benefits from an expanded international presence and enhanced credibility. The broker's specialization in contracts for difference, CFDs, spans a multitude of markets, including forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. This vast offering caters to a global trading audience, providing a dynamic and flexible platform equipped with advanced tools aimed at optimizing trading experiences. ModMount's distinctive features and services. ModMount stands out in the market with its range of unique services and features designed to enrich the trading journey. Tailored account options facilitate a streamlined registration process. Efficient trade execution across multiple platforms. Instantaneous market updates, coupled with high-speed access, empower traders to make timely market moves. Simplified one-click trading options for quick transactions. An extensive array of educational materials to enhance trading knowledge and skills. Practice and strategy development through demo accounts. Now let's move on with an in-depth analysis of pros and cons of ModMount. Pros: zero commissions on deposits, easing the financial burden for traders. A diverse array of over 160 CFDs on a range of assets, offering broad market exposure. High forex leverage capabilities, reaching up to 1 to 400, providing significant trading opportunities. Multilingual support, catering to a diverse international trading community. Exceptionally quick execution speed, averaging 0.08 seconds, advantageous in volatile trading scenarios. A variety of spread options to suit different trading styles and strategies. Access to advanced analytical tools like Trading Central for in-depth market insights. Cons: limited platform choices, primarily focused on its proprietary WebTrader platform. Withdrawal and inactivity fees, which may be less appealing for certain traders. A fixed monthly maintenance fee, charged regardless of trading activity levels. Potential geographical restrictions that might limit access for traders in some regions. The trading instruments and platform. ModMount offers an extensive collection of over 160 tradable instruments, encompassing a wide range of asset classes. Traders can access major global indices, a diverse array of commodities, an extensive selection of forex currency pairs, CFDs on stocks from prominent global corporations, and a comprehensive suite of cryptocurrencies. This vast selection provides ample opportunities for portfolio diversification and exposure to various market dynamics. The ModMount WebTrader platform is celebrated for its intuitive design, compatibility with multiple devices, and advanced features. These include real-time market updates, high-speed access to financial markets, one-click trading options, and sophisticated analytical tools. The platform is engineered to cater to both novice and experienced traders, offering a seamless and efficient trading experience. Varied account types and exceptional customer service. ModMount's array of account types is designed to cater to the diverse needs and strategies of different traders, ranging from beginner-friendly options to accounts tailored for seasoned professionals. Each account type comes with its unique set of features and benefits, providing traders with the flexibility to choose an option that best suits their trading style and experience level. The broker's customer service is highly responsive and available in multiple languages, ensuring traders worldwide can receive support in their preferred language. Support channels include email, live chat, and phone, with a focus on providing swift and knowledgeable assistance for a variety of queries and concerns. Regulatory compliance and safety measures. Adhering to regulatory compliance is a cornerstone of ModMount's operations. Regulated by the Financial Services Authority, FSA, of Seychelles, the broker demonstrates a commitment to upholding high standards of financial practices and transparency. Additionally, the affiliation with New Block Trading Limited, based in Cyprus, indicates a broader operational scope and enhanced reliability. ModMount prioritizes the safety of client funds through segregated accounts, ensuring they are kept separate from the company's operational funds. This, along with robust data security measures, including encryption technology and secure communication protocols, safeguards clients' personal and financial information. To sum up, ModMount presents itself as a robust and viable choice for traders seeking extensive market access, stringent regulatory compliance, and a diverse range of trading tools and resources. The broker's focus on customer satisfaction and empowerment positions it as a supportive partner for traders navigating the dynamic world of online trading. Trading involves risks, and it's crucial for traders to choose a broker that aligns with their specific needs and goals. We encourage you to visit BrokerCheck for more in-depth comparisons and insights, ensuring your trading decisions are well-informed and aligned with your individual trading aspirations.